Hello traders, how was the day today? So there were not many trades today. As a result, this video is going to be a very short video today. We had a wonderful dump, right? So something interesting happened here today. If you look at this was the whole pullback, right? So if we just take this pullback area, we got 1:1 of that pullback today. Now, the pullback actually started from here. So there is still a chance that we will continue to go down to somewhere around 5457. And on the 4-hour chart, if you see here, we just bounced off from above this double top, right? So that is what happened. A lot of interesting things happened today. I will come back with the expectations for tomorrow. That is going to be real interesting tomorrow again. So let us take a look at the trades that we took today morning. So the morning was pretty simple. We had, if you look at the ETA chart right now, so as soon as the price started coming down on the ETA chart from above the EMA, I shorted somewhere around the open itself, and I was holding on to the trade. My first profit taking was at 55.11. 55.11 was one of the biggest supports on the 4-hour chart. I took profit there, and then I held on to it, and I finally came out at 5500. However, after I came out of that 5500, I was not interested in going long. I had the expectation that it was going to become a TR for some time, and we got into a TR for some time. And at that point of time, during the TR, the lows here, let us get back to the RT8 chart. The lows here were around the 9.5 area. 9.4 was a very good support area for me. Again, the 9.6 to 9.4 area is the generic support area. As soon as this candle closed below 94, I shorted below this candle. I took profit at 84. That was my first profit taking. I was waiting for 72 to come. Why 72? Because it was the measured move target. However, if you see here, we were bouncing off of this 77 multiple times, and when this candle happened, I actually came out of my runner at 84, but I was still sitting at my system. And when I saw this candle happen again, let us look at the RT8 chart. When I saw this candle happen, that was candle number 75, I shorted below 75 again, and then I came out at 72. That was my first profit taking. I was still holding a runner, and I was trying to get the 1:1 of this bull flag, and we finally got it at this point. So those were the trades today. If you look at the Ripster cloud, there was reasons that I did not want to go long at all today, because we were completely below the 5 EMA, and every time we went into this 5 and 13 EMA cloud, we were just dumping down, right? And finally, this candle went above the EMA, went above the cloud, but then there was no follow through available. So there was nothing to do on the long side at this point of time. So I did not take any long trades today. So to summarize, we started shorting somewhere at the open of the day. Our first take profit was at 55.11, and then we held on and got the 5500 target, and then we shorted again below 9.4. We took our first profit at 8.4. The second contract that I was holding on, that also got out at 8.4, and then below candle number 75, we shorted again and took the first profit at the 72 area, and finally at the 64 area. So those were all the trades that we did today. I will come back with the expectations for tomorrow sometime in the evening today. That is all I have for now. And as always, please like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.